It's nearly curfew time for the artificial workforce on the street, but because they're supposed to finish at 5 o'clock and it's pretty close to it. But I'm just hoping that the mobile is picking up the random house sound. This is upstairs in the bedroom part of this particular place. And the noise an hour ago, unfortunately I was actually laying down, and the noise was unbearable, and it was like so loud. But of course I didn't have the mobile. I had to go downstairs and turn it on and delete some videos so that I could even record this. But the sound, of course, is now stopped because it is a sound controlled system that is connected to the artificial intelligence computer system where the human mind is, and so the human being is like being tracked and watched and monitored, and the use of sound to keep you always at low frequency vibration, agitated. The sound has been going most of the day as usual, but the sound now is not recordable because it's just a little bit of banging. Whereas before it was unbelievably loud, and loud. Before, for a whole couple of hours, it was loud and very unnatural. Loud, unnatural, and unfortunately the mobile can only pick up the sounds that are incredibly loud coming into the place, and they shouldn't be even in any city. It shouldn't be acceptable that that you can send frequencies of sound into the local houses. That is, completely overwhelming, to where you couldn't concentrate or hear anything else at all, and to where you would just hear this very unnatural, mechanical mind, sound. If you've got like a jackhammer going in your ears, it wasn't a jackhammer, it was more unusual, but they're using equipment as a sight and sound spiritual warfare against human beings at this time. So it's a covert spiritual war against humanity, because if you allow for the reality that you have artificially intelligent machine beings posing as real human beings, and a very smaller number of human beings, the difference in conception, the difference in the making, and the difference of the maker and the creator makes the difference between what's human and what is inhuman. So, it's a humanity difference, and it's a difference in the frequency and vibration, and it's also a difference in it's a difference also in the thinking. One is artificial intelligence or psychopathic, so it only thinks or feels. It feels